Assalamu alaikum dear kids, welcome to all. Inshallah, all are very fine. I am your English grammar teacher. In English grammar, today we are going to learn about lesson Sensible Sentences 2. What is the name of the lesson? Sensible Sentences 2. Today we are going to learn about exercise of this lesson. Let us learn about it. Encircle the naming parts, underline the telling parts. Encircle the naming parts, underline the telling parts. One has been done for you. In this exercise, we will circle to the naming part and underline to the naming part. First sentence, seat. An actor acts on stage or in movies. An actor acts on stage or in movies. In this sentence, an actor is a naming part, acts on stage or in movies is a telling part. So, an actor is circled here because of it is a naming part. Acts on a stage or in movies is a naming part. So, it's underline it. Let us see the next sentence. A postman brings our letters. A postman brings our letters. In this sentence, a postman is a naming part. So we circle it. Brings our letters is a telling part. So we underline it. The fire brigade puts out fire. The fire brigade puts out fire. In this sentence, the fire brigade is a naming part, so we circle it. Puts out fire is a telling part, so we underline it. The busy doctor treats many patients. The busy doctor treats many patients. In this sentence, the busy doctor is a naming part, so we circle it. Treat many patients is a telling part, so we underline it. Next, the tailor stitched all my dresses. The tailor stitched all my dresses. In this sentence, the tailor is a naming part. Stitch all my dresses is a telling part, so we underline it. The car mechanic was still repairing the car. The car mechanic was still repairing the car. In this sentence, the car mechanic is a naming part, so we circle it. Was still repairing the car is a naming part, so it's a naming part. No, it's a telling part, so we circle it. Let us see the next exercise. Fill in the missing naming parts. Complete each sentence with the help of the picture on the left. Fill in the missing naming parts. Complete each sentence with the help of the picture on the left. 3 pictures are given here. First is swimming pool. Second is the moon and the stars and monkeys. Let us see the sentences. Number 1. Blank is oval in shape. Blank is oval in shape. What is in oval in shape? Yes, the swimming pool. What is the naming part of this sentence? The swimming pool is the naming part. Is oval in shape is a telling part. Next, blank are shining in the sky. Blank are shining in the sky. What are shining in the sky? Yes, the moon and the stars are shining in the sky. The moons and the stars are shining in the sky. The moon and the star is a naming part. Are shining in the sky is a telling part. Next, blank have run away with the sandwiches. Blank have run away with the sandwiches. In this sentence, have run away with the sandwiches is a telling part. And the monkeys is a naming part. The monkeys have run away with the sandwiches. Let us see the next exercise. Complete each sentence by adding a telling part that matches the picture on the right. Complete each sentence by adding a telling part that matches the picture on the right. 3 pictures are given here. First is a house. Second, airport and aeroplanes. Third is yacht. Let us see the first sentence. Meeta and her family blank. Meeta and her family. Where they live? Yes, in a big house. So we write here, live in a big house. Meeta and her family live in a big house. In this sentence, Meeta and her family is a naming part. Live in a big house is a telling part. Let us see the next. Aeroplanes. What is going? Yes, the aeroplanes are flying. Aeroplanes fly from the airport. Aeroplanes fly from the airport. In this sentence, aeroplane is a naming part. Fly from the airport is a telling part. The big yacht blank. What is going here? Yes, is sailing in the water. The big yacht is sailing in the water. In this sentence, the big yacht is a naming part. Is sailing in the water is a telling part. I think each and everyone have understood about this lesson. Now it's homework time. Fill in the missing naming part. Complete each sentence with the help of the picture on the left. Do this homework 3 times. I will ask about this homework in the next video. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. Allah Hafiz.